me with that St. Mary. St. Mary with there. St. Mary with St.
Oh, Miss Daddy, careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
I am here right here, so the rain a block up her face. Terence, can the machete come lend me now, please? So, me I try to look at something to the plant then because the cement work and everything, the plant them now go on good. Every time I come for do it, something stop me. I mean I make it nothing stop me today. So me I go show. Me I come. I want me did have in this again. One fern. Every time I get a look of fern here, I don't know, I need not have no luck and I come out. So I have some kaya in this. So. But you know, say root height still in there, you know the.
Green?
Yeah. What you think we could have do? Try it. Now put it down in this so and water it. Yeah, me have a root in there. Me have put it and water it. Yeah, me have an next part this so me I go clean off around here so and it up on the inside. Carry my machete come. Man, them park your bike here so. You know my time me come here and say I want to move this the plant here so I try and move it now, you know. I have to sink the machete deep. I walk me now. Now I have to go out the road. I'm going to take it up. You know how long I see from it? I've only one leaf. Oh boy. I put me up so now don't hop on, you know. Yeah. So. Nice plant this, in a money plant this. You know me I try to get one plant a peace lily. You know so you know I could get one from about show my shit me I play around in a party. I last me currently can't sweep out here. I worse but somebody my shit that be a play around here, see what come and laugh here. Oh party me find 2 breadfruit, but guess what? This year not gonna be a breadfruit here at all. See? Me get the fruit first one if you roast. Heavy though, heavy, full of water. Full of water, the rain will fall. The 2 little teeny breadfruit, then of heavy so. Yeah, I'm going to find 2 little one for go cook salt mackerel with me a banana here. Here hungry a country, eh? So, me try to see if I can sort out them terrains, you know, and take up the tub, the wash tub around this so.
You see it?
All this is pretty and solid and sun. And you see, it's when you leave it with the sun, some of them plants, you know, sun plant them, you know. Because the sun come right here some morning time first thing. Nobody left it down with cement, with the cement for catch it, please. I want to worm that. Alright, take out the dry trash then. I don't think it's on the dry trash then. Take up the little one there, in the little cup. Give me 2, yeah. Before I let this on there, you don't care come give me out this stuff. May I tell you this, man? May I tell you this, Barry? So you know the about to see a thing, but it's going to be different now. It's going to be different around here. Find that. I found that dirt. See there? You can't carry this. Because some, you know, this is something like that too. You know, so this is something like when you dig it back, that's all. So come on, somebody try this, you see? You carry this come sell me. 2 minutes there and drop it on my yard, say a rough side. What's that on name? All purpose? You, all the people who in a building and know about something. 2 minutes there you carry come drop it there, so I chat about say all purpose. I want to people from me, I tell you, say, some sitting happened to me yesterday, it's Barry. But it's not going to change. It's going to change. Everybody come, rip me off. If me did there son and you come, you couldn't empty up this half of your truck and left for my I'm move from here so with that man. All purpose dirt, but because nobody not here, it should not die. Nobody not look on that. Eh? Yeah, all purpose sand. Which all purpose sand looks so? I saw so dirt now that you know. Sorry. Me tell you something, you know. No, I tell you this. You see all of you know, we try to find out there. A town and a bill country, everyone there foreign. A bill of Jamaica. Make sure so you get people who are capable. Because look here, let me tell you something. You know, easy when you can't be here or be at the point with where you know where you see where your money is spent. It's not always easy. Always be so tedious and you always get bite. You know? So make sure that you have people who are competent. Show them know say I not show alright and something. So them I go want say, yeah, Miss Debbie said, come drop it, Miss Debbie said, come drop blah, 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 blah. But if Miss Debbie was here, you couldn't left that at my gate. So make sure say, you know how to spend on the money that you know make what happen to me, you know make it happen to you. Because I tell you say, right now, I just mercy of God make me hang and say when I do it. Everybody, you know what is happening in the world today? Everybody is about money. Money. Just money. Everybody wants just money. See there, look here, son. Look at me. Yeah, from me a billion, so you know. I first make it and come and pretty, so, you know. This how this pretty. I show sand this, you know. Understand how it's sand pretty? Eh? And the hardest thing, the prettiest sand this, me ever take. I don't know for me, I have to show, yeah. And some of them are carry sand coming up. And the buying at the candy give out a gully car come and charge your worse and with the ad, one with the ad you are trying to come. When you're not around, things get out of control. When you're not around, things get out of hand and you end up pay dear than what you have to pay. And that happen to me right now. So, we should it fine for me. I want to talk, I don't have the clip or something to clip it. May I take it out of this? But me I think so you see, if you just drop it down in something as it is, okay. It has sent up, you see it? It has sent up the new something. You just want them leave you. If you can't too stress them out, you just want something to cut it. Let me have scissors now, Pops. Terrence. Give me my foot. May I see a young goat there? Oh. So. Scissors are not dull, it's dull, man. The feet all have taken. So what may I say? See the root there? Oh, what that? Cricket. A long time I don't see something there, you know. Yeah, see the root them. I'll show all the root. Take the root. No, man, where you get this from, brother? No? Now what is? Yeah, see the root them there, see the young root them here. So if you say me, I'll take out back that and just sink it back down in this. You know, feel so?
Mm-hmm, can do that.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, try the mama.
Watch your bum, auntie.
You not even have no narrator. Alright. Now go take up the piece, the little piece of fern root. I don't know what me I go resurrect that piece of fern. And you see this thing here? Our kids love them type of something, you know, so. Oh, it's a piece more of the fern root here. I'm not all that gone, man. Let me go set it. Right there, so. Oh. Yeah, man, a good son, them, man. Take you for clown. Never put it. The Aki, them love them something. Them kind of all kind of old wire up things too, you know. Oh. You go, Eddie. You go come fix this to me. Cause the root them not covered, you know. How we are going to deal with the root? How we are going to take cover the root? Can take some of them, eh?
The frog in front of you, Eddie.
The top, I want to go young. Papa, me I do look around the yard because something I cook no food today. You know, every day can't be the same. Me I deal with some little things. Me I get some little things under control. Cause you see, true, me not there. everybody I take everything for granted and things that get out of hand. So me not joke. Me not joking. Me not in the kitchen business, so that me I try to get look housework done and look at something. Cause see time there, I rain and fall and me not really want the rain catch me up here. So cause road not so nice. So what about show rate there? You see how my sweat? My sweat I sent me here. We kind of clean up them plant there right there so with the old part cement work and sitting. And me never get to wash off the plant of them. I did really want to wash the plant of them. But I never get to wash them and clean them off. Because I did end up clean out the bathroom them fresh up because one our we use on the computer that lock off. But the other one is there. So if anybody want to use the the toilet, them can get it. So I have to fresh up. You know no man thing left up to the man them some more time you come here for fresh it up. So I'm gonna get all of that done plus another look or something. But I have up here from when we never test appliances and I buy from when and care and I never test them. So I get to test them out today. I had all of those in the making. So I jump around and get some little things done. Never cook anything today. Today just wasn't the cooking day. So I try cut out here now. I try the workman around there work. I don't know where show them, I don't see him. Look I can go on the street. Uncle Murphy there, so camera girl. That behind the camera. Uncle Murphy I cut, we I cut. Tell them bye now.
Alright, pick up on yourself. I'll move again. God bless you and take care. All the best.
So, I eat that in a party. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. See, it look like, me think the rain don't come now, but it kind of fear off. And me I sweat. You see me boss I sweat in here. So, me so know again. See?